Nature is most beautiful. Sometimes it can be dangerous. Lot of beautiful animals, trees in the nature. Beautiful mountain, waterfalls, rivers in the world. So sometime people will destroy beauty of the nature. Always we should protect our nature. Some animals are very friendly for peoples. It will help to peoples breathe. If the people will destroy it, all world will affect that. So be careful, protect our environments. Lot of industrial and commercial work will destroy world. So be careful, protect ourselves.